got the engine tin fitted up. I was able to get my engine tin fit up today. It's, I guess, typical of any engine tin. There's got to cut a little here, sand a little there, tweak a little there, but got it all in. All the bolts are in there. For the most part, looks good. Most of the engine tin I ended up getting from CIP1. It's just easy. I had some other stuff to order, and with them, over $100 is free shipping. So I got this rear tin, the front for the oil cooler back here, and I believe this came with the alternator kit, if I'm not mistaken. So the fan housing I've had, that's left over from my old 71 Ghia that I had. Like I said, it fit up pretty good. I got the cylinder head tin from my local VW shop. Also, these down here I ended up getting from my local shop. That one and the one on that side. Still have to paint those up, but it's got the tins down here. Like I said, everything pretty much fit up well. A little bit of tweaking, everything went on. I bolted this alternator down just so I can see everything nice and set, ready to go. But looks good. I ended up opting for some button head Allen nuts that go on here. These are, I believe, a size M6-1. But I just wanted something a little different, so I went stainless with the button Allen heads on there. And as far as holding the alternator fan, coil, and actually underneath here is another, they're the same M6-1, but I ended up using, it's a bigger Allen head nut on there. These are a 5 and these are a 4mm. So just something a little different. I wanted stainless as opposed to the typical flathead or standard screwdriver to go on there. But engine tin's on, so now I can pull it off. I got a little sanding to do when I pull it off, just to kind of tweak it and deburr some of those sharp edges that are on there. But that's what I'm working on today. I got over here my carb, so I'm gonna take these apart and work on them today, probably, if I get time. Take it apart, clean it, make sure all the jets are cleaned out and the right size jets, and put it back together. But these have worked well for me so far. It's the same style, setup, brand that I have on my bus, and everything works well there. And those are just some of the rocker covers I'm going to put on, but getting some progress today.